Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn about superscripts in Excel that can make your data and presentation look more professional. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what superscripts are. In Excel, superscripts are used to raise text or numbers above the baseline, making them appear smaller and above the regular line of text. This is useful when dealing with mathematical equations, chemical formulas, or any instance where we need to denote exponential. Now let's move on the practical part. As you can see in my worksheet, there are few examples. I want to make this a2 plus b2 equals to c2 as mathematical formula a square plus b square equal to c square. So first, to make a square, select the 2 and go to the Home tab. Now click on the font group arrow. From the Format Cells dialog box, select the option Superscript and click OK. To make the B square, select 2, go to Home tab and click on the font group arrow. Select the option Superscript and click OK. Same process for the C square. Select 2, click on the arrow and select the option Superscript. Click OK. To apply superscript on text, select the text and click on the font group arrow and select the option superscript and click OK. To show the exponential notation, select the sign and click on the arrow or press Ctrl Shift and F to open the dialog box. Then select the superscript option and click OK. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel.